Hello traders, how was the day today? So looking at the chart, this was the 845 candle, and these were the kinds of plans that we had. We saw that we were in an expanding triangle, and if the expanding triangle breaks down, I was hoping that we will come somewhere around the 5620 area, and if we break that down, then we can see the bottom of this particular candle, right? Or else otherwise we could have a trading zone, which we finally had, but below that particular level. Or else if we can get above this 4-1 line, we can actually go up another 20 points. So that was the plan. Now, why I was looking at the 4-1 and this level was, if you look at the 4-hour chart, we had a mother bar here, and this mother bar was a complete doji. So at this point of time, I was thinking that there is a high possibility that the market will stay in a trading range. However, if we look at the RTA chart that ended yesterday, we ended with a pretty good bullish move, right? So I was thinking that there might be a continuation of that, and based on that, this price went up, then got rejected again at the mother bar top and dropped down. So let us see how we traded the whole day. So this was a pretty good signal bar which closed above the high of yesterday. We went long above bar 1, and then we were looking at how many points did we travel. I was hoping to get to 4.6, but we did not get to 4.6. We got to the top of that 4-hour mother bar, and as soon as I saw this candle was coming down after trapping the bulls right here, I immediately came out of the trade. So that was the first trade that we took. And now this was a candle which covered the whole body of this particular bar, and then we had a very tiny bar here. We actually shorted below. Let me get in the bar counts here. We actually shorted below bar number 7. And here my idea was, now if we can break down the low of bar 1, we will go to that 2.0 area. We did come to that 2.0 area. I was holding on to it, and finally I came out at 20 points from the low of bar 7, which was in the 1.6 area. I tried to scalp a little bit here. If you see what happened here after that was bar number 16, 17 were pretty strong bull bars. Bar number 31 and 32 were pretty strong bull bars. And I was trying to scalp in this area. I was not really bearish at this point of time, that I was not thinking that it will break it down, because if you see, this 14.5 line kept on holding. And as soon as we broke down the 14.5 line, we came and recovered again immediately. The next major trade that happened was we went long above bar number 56, and we came out at the HOY area, which is at 32. That was the other trade. And then if you see, immediately we got an engulfing bar here. We got a very strong bear bar. I did not sell here, but I sold below bar number 63, and then my exit was again in the 20 line. So those were the 4 major trades that we had today: going long above bar number 1, shorting below bar number 7. We did do some scalps here which were pretty good. I did not play this short at all. And then once we recovered back to the 15 area and went above this 19.75 line, we went long again at bar number 56, took profit at the HOY area, and then we shorted below bar number 63 and came out in 56.20. Now, if you see, something else happened on the 1-hour ETA chart, and if you draw the line here, you will see we actually formed a micro wedge. We came below that micro wedge and bounced above that immediately. This was the first entry long, and as usual, the first entry long, the bulls were trapped here, and we came all the way down, giving the second leg to the bears. This was again the second entry long, and we are in that second entry long trade. This was the first leg that we had. This was the pullback, and hopefully sometime tomorrow or overnight, we will have the second leg for the bulls on the upside. So those were all the trades that we had. Now, if you see, we have had a trading range movement here, and I'm hoping that for the rest of the week, till the Jackson Hole episode is over, which will start from 22nd and carry on till Saturday. Till that point of time, we will continue to be in a trading range. There will be traps, so we'll have to keep our positions low, keep our stop losses near, know the levels of support and resistance where we can bounce and where we can move. I will come back in my next video with the support and resistance areas on the plan for tomorrow. As always, if you like the content of the video, please like, share, comment on the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the notification icon. And I will see you guys very soon. Bye.